This. Here is the first pin right there. Look, it's dangling out. The pin is dangling. And here's the second pin. It's not even slotted through this hole and not slotted through here. Both pins are dangling. They're supposed to be slotted in here. See, here's the hole that's supposed to go through. And so the pins are practically falling out. Okay, this one, the pins are gone and the brake hardware kit is gone. Did you see on the other side there was a plate here? The plate is gone.
Yeah, I ripped that plate out.
And here's the sensor. You may want to replace the sensor too. Who knows? Looks like it's okay though, but yeah, the brake hardware kit and the pins are completely missing.